Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing this Groovy theme setup. Before we jump into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So first we're going to hang up the rainbow that I made at home. I don't have a tutorial, so don't come for my neck, please. But the sizes is really simple, you guys. They are, I went from 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, 7, 8, 6 inch. It was 6 rows. You do two you build two at a time, which two sizes. So the 3 and 4 inch was built together. I mean, it's plenty of tutorials out there. I'm sorry, I made it at home in the comfort and I didn't record. So you guys know it's hard for me to record at home because I'm just too comfortable and I don't have time to turn on the camera. But anyway, I'm using my command hooks on the back of the backdrops with a 260Q to attach it, to perfect it. And the backdrops are rented from a local vendor, nothing that I made. There are wood backdrops. I don't know where she get them from. So I'm just trying to answer all your questions so we can move on to other questions that you may have. So I forgot to hit the record on the camera, so you guys are seeing this from my phone. Because I also record here for Instagram and stuff like that. So as you can see, I am building out. I believe I had like 10 or 12 feet of balloons right here. I had a cluster on of 8 balloons, and then I have a quad of 4 balloons on the other side, and that's how I was building. Some of the colors I double, like the darker pink for me, that was like a main color, so I kept that. I had 2 clusters, or probably a little bit more of that color. Same thing with the mustard, that was like a main color I used. And then the blue and the soft pink was kind of like a one-off color that I used in the garland purposely. Um, Sorry, the lighting in the venue was pretty much trash. Like, they didn't have any lighting. The venue ceilings was probably about 30, 40 feet tall, and they had like 2 chandeliers. That's it. No other lighting. That's so the lighting was not the best. But you guys can kind of still see what I'm doing. Here you see me building. I just add like a little cluster on the side. It wasn't really. It probably was like 3 quads together. One of them had like a 16-inch balloon kind of thing, but it wasn't too much. I just wanted to do a little oomph on the floor over there just to give it a full look. And we also have a custom sign that we'll be adding on the backdrop. It just say One Groovy Baby, but it's in acrylic, so that was pretty nice as well, just to tie in the whole setup. As you can see, I'm putting it on there, and I use the double-sided tape. I get it from Amazon. It works pretty good. I use that to hang pretty much all my signs, so that's what I use to hang directly on the backdrop. And here you can see me adding on some quads, a cluster of 6 balloons at the top right there, and then I'm adding on a quad at the bottom right here, just to close between that pink and that mustard right there. And that's what I did there. And I also have these gold little daisies that I used on the setup. I made those at home as well, and I believe the gold part was about, ooh, maybe 3.5, 4 inches, and then the color balloon in the middle was probably about 2 inches, so smaller. And then my 5 inches that I'm adding on are about size to about 3 or 3.5 inches as well. I use my legenda. So if you have a legenda for my double stuff balloons, I use it on 0.7. And if I'm doing single stuff, then I do it on 0.6. And that is because the single stuff, of course, the air goes in quicker than a double stuff balloon because it's thicker. So I use 0.7 for double stuff and 0.6 for a single stuff. And here I'm just adding on, and I tie everything neck to neck. If I didn't mention it already, I build every single design neck to neck for the most part. If I struggle with neck to neck because maybe I don't have any necks or it's just too tough, then I'll run. As you can see, my 260 is always hanging out my pocket because when I come on site, I throw a ton of them in my pocket just so I always have them. But here I'm just adding on the gold flowers. And I pretty much just wanted them like in a cluster to make it look like a lot. So I just added them in a cluster like that. And I did the little daisies on a rainbow too. I thought it was so cute. The cloud looked a little bit too robust. I don't know. It's a little too thick, but It looks pretty. The client loved this. Actually was a repeat client. I did her baby shower. This is her first birthday. Only thing better than the new client is the repeat client. You know? Like I love it for me. Mashallah. But yes, this is the final setup, you guys. This is how everything turned out. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comments box. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.